I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel. And as you read by the title of this video, yes, I'm doing a very different sort of video today. I'm going to be doing a challenge which is Who Knows Me Better, featuring my best friends. Now I've seen my friends throughout the course of my channel in various vlogs. So I have two friends with me today, Diya Adhikari and Mahashweta Chakraborty. They will introduce themselves, but before that guys, just a disclaimer. We are doing everything virtually. We are not meeting each other or anything because the times are really scary right now and I will not personally recommend going out or anything. So that was that. And also guys, throughout the course of the video, I'm going to be wearing my spectacles because my vision is really poor and I cannot see anything without them. And I guess without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. So since this is a virtual meet, it might not be that we are always looking into the camera. We might be looking towards the direction of our screen wherein the meeting is happening. So just ignore that. The meeting has started and now my friends are going to introduce themselves.
Hey guys, I am the best friend of Shritama, like the best friend.
Hello everyone, I am Mahashweta and I am just a friend of Shritama.
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
I have like sort of curated 10 to 15 questions and they are some are slim, some are kind of spicy if you will. My life is too bland though, but I'm going to be asking those and moving on to the first question. So my first question is, how many followers and subscribers do I have on Instagram and YouTube? This is very easy.
Shri,
Done. Mahashweta,
I have written.
700 Instagram and 380.
Okay, I have written 700 Instagram,
And Diya?
YouTube.
Yeah, I know the YouTube one is of course correct.
Yeah.
No, but I thought it's a second.
God,
It's a second
361.
account. I still get a
Oh my
point.
God.
Like I'm the closest to that one.
Seriously, Diya?
Yeah.
So you both are correct for the YouTube. I have 380 subscribers on YouTube. But on Instagram, Mahashweta is closer. I have 767 followers on Instagram. I'm still gonna give 1 point to both of you because thoda YouTube you all guessed correct. So both of them were correct in a way. So I guess it's fair to give 1 point to each of them. But moving on to the next question. When did I get my first period? Now you all can't just say the class because I know you all know which class. You all have to be very specific with the date. Data na holo, you all have to be specific with the month. Like because I know you all know the class.
Shri,
Okay, and Maha to bolli. Sneha is saying that. And Diya?
Sure.
Diya also wrote the same?
Yeah, September,
Yes,
September,
September.
September.
Mahashweta also wrote September?
September though.
You all are very close. My exact date is 21st August 2017.
Okay, August,
So it's
September
just
is
a month.
close. Very close.
Fine again. I'll give 1 point to each of you all. So that's again correct. You guys really know me well, yeah? 2 out of 2 correct. I didn't expect that. Moving on to the next question I have is, this is also kind of a spicy one. But I'm guessing they'll get it wrong again. Okay. So, guys, my next question to you is, do I have a crush right now? As of now. Any crush?
Done.
I can't see you.
Read it very clearly, honestly. Like I've written very big answer.
Oh my
yes,
God.
it is clearly
Yes.
a crush.
Wrong
Yeah.
again.
You
I've
have
written the
to-
entire answer. You
How
cannot
can-
say no.
Shritama,
You cannot say no anymore.
Oh my God,
You
I'm
are
not lying.
lying because you know it very
I
well.
don't have
You
a
know
crush.
it very well. You know you have
This is the truest
you even
answer
had a
ever.
crush
I have the
yesterday.
entire
I
thing
do not have a
written.
crush right now. Big.
You are lying to yourself simply.
I am not. So none of you get a point. Listen,
What?
you all are wrong. You all are in denial. And this,
I'm also
this
not
We are
question is
playing then.
not
I'm not
correct.
playing.
Because it clearly
If this
the
is not
answer yes.
correct, I'm
The
not
answer is yes. No,
I'm not
no, it's
playing.
not. You know it pretty well that it is yes.
Yes, great. Bring someone else. Bring
I
your
have
crush
one
and
question
sit
to
down.
answer. My next question is actually, what was the title of my first ever YouTube video? Let's see who gets this. I have all the answers and questions written here, by the way, so don't worry, I'm not cheating either.
I don't know. I don't remember.
I don't know, but
Yeah, I
I
can
think
see
this
what
is
you
the
What did Diya
answer.
write?
Yeah, like DIY eyebrow gel, no eyeshadow.
Diya gets a point. Diya has
So obsessed. I
points.
knew that I'm correct. Like
This is
it
the
is
exact
DIY
title.
eyebrow
It
one.
was DIY eyebrow gel, no eyeshadow needed.
Sorry, I don't know. I guess Diya has cheated. I don't know why, but I get the feeling that Diya has cheated somehow.
Like I got a point. Come on, nah, no, not that. That is not the right answer. Like yeah. 1 more point. Yes.
Next one is a very easy question. Who is my favorite YouTuber? I'm sure they're not going to be able to guess this one either.
How the hell will I know? Favorite YouTuber.
I have a feeling no one's going to get this because this This answer is
Okay, I'm done. I guess I don't know if this is correct or not, but you kind of
Wait,
like.
Mahashweta, are you done?
Gopali.
Gopali? Seriously?
Gopali.
What did Dia write? Dia?
Shreya Jain. I think you like her.
Then what is the answer?
I like Gopali, I like Shreya Jain, but my favorite YouTuber is me.
Don't even. Don't
Narcissist
even.
You are
much, but
simply
seriously,
narcissistic.
मैं अपनी
Believe-
favorite हूँ.
Self love much more. You always say like Shreya Jain is my favorite YouTuber, and now you're like it's me, it's myself.
My next question to you guys is, what are my top 3 travel destinations? If you all get 2 correct, I will give you 1 point. It can be a place where I have gone as well. Okay. Okay.
Are you like? No,
What
see,
is
you
Mahashweta?
know that you don't like Europe. I mean, you didn't
Would you
enjoy.
go to Thailand? Dia, tell me yours. Show me yours rather.
Yeah, done. Finished. I guess
Why
I
do
don't
you?
know. I'm just guessing it.
Why do you
correct.
think Goa
Yeah,
Puri
done.
is my dream destination? My 3 top travel destinations are Maldives, Mauritius, and Seychelles. तीनों में जाने की औकात नहीं है, but this is my dream. So
Let me tell you one thing. You yourself are not sure about your answers.
So my next question is actually very easy, and I'm sure both of you are supposed to get it. Okay, so my question to you guys is, what color clothes do I own the most? This one is an easy one. This is an easy one.
Okay. This is an easy one. Come
Yeah.
on.
Can you see the answer?
Yeah, done.
It's actually
Yeah.
Mahashweta কি করছিস Mahashweta? It's blue.
আমি জানতাম দিয়া দিকে নেই পারবে আমি জানি না তো
This is for sure. Like I don't even have like you
I
can't
have
even lie on this. You
maximum blue
have
clothes,
like this
black.
is the
I
correct
have like
answer.
3 clothes.
Yeah.
I
It's
love
blue
the
and black.
colors blue and black.
Yeah,
black
of
is my
course.
second
Like you have the
favorite,
most
but
number
blue,
of
I
blue
have blue
clothes.
clothes the
I'm
most.
a
Right now I'm wearing
black.
blue only. That is সেটা বলতে
Come on, ma. No. It's not black. Like she has the most number of blue ones. Yeah.
Mahashweta 3 points, Dia 6
Dia
points.
6 points. My chunni syndrome is acting up now.
This one is also easy, para uchit. So what is the first thing that I do when I wake up and go to sleep? Like it's the same thing. Like don't say brushing and drinking water, not that. But the first thing I do before I go to sleep and when I wake up.
I have written.
I have written too. This is very general.
Yeah, what does
All of
Dia
us do
say?
the same thing. Use phone. Use
You
phone and
watch
watch
TVD every
DVD.
day. Waking up, you watch TVD. Going to sleep, you again watch TVD. It is
Technically, the
TVD.
correct answer is Instagram.
What?
When I wake up, the first thing I do is Instagram. When I go to sleep, the last thing I do is Instagram. I watch DVD throughout the course of the day.
Yeah, that's on phone and I have written use phone. That's the same thing.
Sorry, bro. I don't know you.
Yeah, that's the same thing. You use phone. It's on phone.
Actually, yeah, okay, fine. I'll still give watch TVD because if you consider it like that, the second thing I do probably is watching TVD. So fine, I'll give a point to both of you. Let's
That
get
means
into
you're not a
the
true TVD fan.
So we are almost nearing the end of the game. I don't know if I should ask this question or not because again you will say like I'm lying, but what is my wildest fantasy?
I don't know.
This one is really weird. Okay, I'm writing two probably. Like it's very weird. I don't know if this is correct, but
I
the
really
kids are
don't
like
know.
obsessed with
You know,
it.
that's why you people should take tests with your friends. My friends don't know me at all.
Yeah, I am done.
Okay, what has Mahashweta
Three,
written?
the
Let's see.
answer.
Oh my god, Mahashweta!
Having sex in an open space.
Okay,
What
it's
have you written,
meet
Shro?
Shahir and check out his navel.
Oh god!
I don't know.
I know,
Oh
but like
god!
what kind of like citation is that?
Wait,
And,
Shahir can
like,
check his navel.
yeah,
Oh my
like,
god!
and-
Oh god!
kind of, yeah.
I don't have any wildest fantasy. That is the answer. So clearly, Dia is the reigning champion, and Mahashweta knows nothing about me. Mahashweta, you better do your research now.
Oh yeah, I know. Of course, I'm gonna win. Oh, I feel good. Like it's proving. Like I am the best friend. That tag. So yeah, nice. It's a nice feeling.
And guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you like this challenge with my friends, then do let me know in the comments if I should bring them to my channel more often to do more such challenges. Till then, guys, stay home, stay safe, and I love you guys a lot. Till then, bye.